Hi guys, today is June 11. It's another Wednesday night. I just got back from the office and realized ko hindi kami nakapagluto ng dinner. And while making my way home, I just saw this Japanese food place. Yung silang mga takoyaki, ramen, name it. Japanese foodies, dito sila lahat. So, since na-crave yung little brother ng ramen, order siya ng ramen, and si ate, she got takoyaki and some pares. So ako, nag-rice meal lang ako. Check out this place. It's just along Glorias, just beside Stone Burger, and my favorite place, the good place where I do my tournament. Where is it? The good place. It's near Coffee Gusto and Noisky Bar. And we just had our dinner. So, how can you say about dinner? What's your honest review of the food, Marco? Wow. And Ate, how's your rating for the Paris? Good. All right. I was actually explaining to my kids na the best tapa that I had was back in the day in Matis Parañaque or Donggalo. And they just mentioned the best seller nila dito is Tapsilog and what's that? Tapsilog and Pares, yeah. So goods naman siya, maraming kumakain. Honestly, because dito is almost 9. So, well, I guess this is the best or one of the best ramen that my son has ever had. So, ito yung takoyaki nila. And ayun yung menu nila. Guys, gusto nyo mag-shoutout?
Hi! Hello po. Shoutout po dyan sa mga friendship na.
kay Papa P?
Papa P! Shoutout!
Alright, so